How to download language for iPhone Translate. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Translate application on your iPhone. Here, you can enter the English text you want to translate and then tap on the bottom language, which is set to Spanish, to open a menu displaying a list of languages to translate into. Tap the three dots icon in the top right corner and select the Languages option. This will take you to a page that shows a list of all languages available for offline use. Scroll through the list and tap the download icon next to the language you want to download. In this case, we are downloading Arabic. Once the download is complete, the language will move to the available offline section at the top of the screen. Now, go back to the main translation screen. Tap on the target language box and change it to your newly downloaded language. The app is now ready to translate into your chosen language, even without an internet connection. Following these steps, you can easily download language on the iPhone Translate.